running too rich. PSI. I'm not sure the map sensor is the right one with this car, so I'm gonna have to double check that and plug the computer in. She's running way too rich, and the sound is typical. It's running way too rich. If I give it a smoke, that's perfectly normal. The engine is new and it's not fully rotted in, so the seals, the piston rings and all that stuff needs to wear itself in, so it's gonna pass a little bit of oil. That's normal. But yeah, I do have a little bit more fuel pressure, but I guess that's fine anyways. So that's a small startup. I mean, she's healthy, but yeah, just a little bit of electronics, which I really don't mind. If you know me, you know, not afraid of electronics. So yeah, I'm gonna need a 908 LC1. I'm gonna need a Alltech ECU. I'm gonna need a few things to make this thing runs better and at least get the power out of this engine. Yeah, it's got a few things in there, so turbos and all that stuff, but I need an ECU so I can run bigger injectors, because currently it will do 450 but it won't do 550, and it certainly won't do 700 cc's. Yeah, I'm running a TD04D with a 0.63 exhaust housing. I mean, it's perfectly matched. I mean, the boost comes on real quick. I mean, that's what I like about these engines. They got torque, and they can get the boost out of it real quick. But yeah, just a small startup. Can't wait to drive it. But yeah, gotta sink a bit more money into it so we can make it work. And of course, I gotta paint it because this is a cup magnet right now. So that's for now. Catch you later. Yeah, that hasn't got the RS hood. It is a RS all-wheel drive, but it doesn't have the hood because of the modifications. It doesn't need it anymore. So I put in standard hood on it. I might put one for looks and just block it off. And if people start complaining, oh, you got a fake hood, yeah, because I want to keep the original look of the car, you assholes. But yeah, anyways, talk to you later, guys.